think she's like Bradford. Yeah.
Keep that bitch quiet.
Ezra.
Just made the right job.
Hi.
I'm gonna get us out of here. But I need your help.
Ezra.
No, it's
Miss Mendoza.
Hi.
Perfect time.
Say hi.
Dinner served.
Don't want to talk to nobody.
I missed how it started.
It's a
Es mi nieto, tía.
Now you can quit cable. Switch to DirecTV.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Gesundheit. God bless you. Oh my goodness.
DirecTV.
Thank you.
Those are gloves.
Isn't he just precious?
Go put those back.
He's so
Those are
calm.
gloves. Those aren't socks. Why does it take like 10 times to take
Too bad getting to Corpus Christi isn't fast, so I can bring him down there to meet you guys.
those gloves? Those are gloves.
I'll still come to Corpus by myself, though. Hi, Poppy.
Online retail, where everything is just a few clicks away. Buying a car should be no different.
Ezra.
You can buy a car 100% online. We made it easy to browse, view, and buy from over 10,000 cars. You can even trade in your old car all while binge watching your favorite TV show. Afterwards, we'll deliver your car to you. Or you can pick it up from one of our car vending machines. Either way, your car comes with a 7-day return policy. So grab a seat, relax in your comfy pants, and enjoy the new way to buy a car at Carvana.
Say hi.
Dove gives you fashion-ready underarms so you can wear anything. And we mean anything. From athletic tops to
He don't even want to look at the camera. He's just bugging me over here. He's just bugging me.
Wear what you want when you want.
Poor baby.
Protection and softer, smoother, fashion-ready underarms from Dove
They're with Dad.
antiperspirants.
They're staying with Dad. I work till 10 tomorrow. So I'll either get them tomorrow night or I'll get them Saturday after work. Torture.